how to get Boreas in zombie waves. So to do this, you're gonna go ahead here to the weapon section, so you will see technically what the event is and how you can get it. So if you go ahead and scroll down to the Boreas, it says that it unlocks via the 7-day event. So blah, 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 blah. You go ahead here into battle, and once you see this right section over here, right below your backpack, there's this 7-day challenge. Now, this 7-day challenge is most likely just going to be for beginners. So if the 7-day passes and you didn't get this gun yet, then unfortunately you're gonna have to get this a different way, usually through real purchases and other stuff. But this is one of the ways you can get this item for free. So for the 7-day challenge, here's how this works. You gain these Z points. So it says it's going to be obtained from the Apex trial or the limited time event, which is this thing, the 7-day challenge. So the more 7-day points you have, the closer you'll get to Boreas. So for your first day, it will unlock these quests over here and you can do them. But for the second days, the third days, and up to the 7, those quests are going to be locked, of course, until you're gonna have to wait for another day. So for a single day, you should be able to get, let's say, around 100, more than 100, maybe even 200. And if you get all of these quests, it will unlock this one, the second one, until you reach 1,600 Z coins. Let's just call them Z coins because there's a Z on it. And once you get those amount of points, you will get the Boreas as a reward. But that's pretty much one way you can get this weapon in this game. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.